Kim Anderson, our crop marketing specialist, joins us now. And Kim, we've seen the team. They've been on the wheat tour this week. Things not looking so great for Oklahoma as harvest is starting. You have talked about quality all year long. What are you hearing?
Well, I think it's coming in probably as expected. The reports say that producers that put down nitrogen, that produce for protein, are getting test weight and protein. There's some areas that are looking relatively good, as we've seen. And then there's those producers that didn't put down the protein, the nitrogen for protein, and it's coming in as expected, low test weight and low protein. So it's scattered around the state on quality, which is what we expect, but probably better than we got last year.
How is the wheat crop looking elsewhere?
Well, you look up in Kansas, they've got a better crop than we do here in Oklahoma. The reports are that their quality will be better than it was last year. Of course, you get in western Kansas, it's spotty, and they've had problems like we've had. You go north, you get out of the drought areas, move on up into Montana and Wyoming. The crop looks relatively good. Production overall is going to be less than last year, maybe 150 million bushels, but probably better quality.
And what about production around the world?
Well, if you look what's going on around the world, and one reason I think for our higher prices is it's dry in Russia, in Australia and Canada. They're having problems with dry conditions. That's probably reducing their potential yields. Overall, world production is probably going to be down 2 or 3% from last year.
And what do you think will determine future prices?
Well, it's going to be that quality of our crop. That's going to have a big impact on our price. Then just if we could get Russia, Canada, really Russia and Australia for their crops to be short, we could get $1 bump in price. But I think the big factor is going to be foreign hard wheat production.
With prices around $5, should producers store or sell?
How can you not take advantage of some $5 wheat prices? You can go, a third, a third, and a third, or say a half and a fourth and a fourth. I'd stagger it out over. If you want to sell it all, and this might be a year to buy the board, the basis is relatively strong. At a minus 30, anywhere from minus 20 to a minus 35, that's a relatively strong basis. You could buy the board, the basis is already good. Any increase in price, you'd get it from the futures.
Okay, Kim, thanks a lot. We'll see you next week.